Just that weird internal pressure that we've got to perform all the time, I think. And
So taking some breaths and slowing down and refocusing in the now. But I so acknowledge that the emotion gets in the way, that it really does. It takes us, it distracts us.
the urgency is in here. So getting out of this into this a little bit and trying to just relax with a few breaths just to kind of like recenter yourself. And then you can decide if you want to continue to run the race or, make a different choice and slow it down a bit.
Yes, give that 24 hours
Yeah, for the
before
right, sure.
responding, or rewrite something as many times as you need so that you feel comfortable, or not putting the who that email is going to.
That's just the fail safe. That's just to keep the trap door from flopping open by accident. So yeah, that's important. Because if you dig down into the depth of it, it's probably not.